You created a meeting recap workflow that works. Now let's organize it so you can find any meeting instantly. We'll create a meeting recaps folder and use a simple naming system based on what each meeting was about. Here's how fast you can go from chaos to organized. I'm creating a meeting recaps folder for all my meetings related work. Now I'll rename this chat based on the meeting's purpose. Q4 budget planning. Done. Now I can find this meeting instantly just by remembering what it was about. As you create more meeting recaps, just name each chat based on what the meeting covered and move it into this folder. Now instead of scrolling through dozens of chats trying to remember which one had that important decision, you just look for the meeting purpose. Need that brainstorming session? Right there. New hiree onboarding? Found it. There you go, a system that works for you. Every meeting is organized by purpose and easy to find. Next, we'll wrap up everything you've learned.